Your company is in the business of propelling brands, and I do understand that this is a results driven business. Visual reflections of popular lifestyles is my mantra, and basically, what that means, it's a sentence in itself and it's very self explanatory, but just to go into detail, all brands are a reflection of the core values of any company, persona, or service provided. I've been looking at your company the entire time I've been in college. I've always been a fan. I love the fact that you all take on small projects, large projects, small scopes, or scopes that are very small to large scope projects. Another thing, you guys have range in your work. I love the range, whether it's urban, whether it's community driven, corporate, fashion, industry, and that's something that I really try to mirror in my own work. I always try to come up with a range in my body of work. I always try to practice my craft and show range in my work. I also have a nose for challenging projects. I seek them out because they are challenging and I love to challenge myself. I'm very dedicated, loyal, and I have a vast array of skill sets, whether it's photography, graphic design, videography, and I love all things brand, and I'm a very, very good storyteller. So transmedia storytelling is also something that I wear on my sleeve. Um, like I said, I'm very well rounded, and if you'd like to see my work, you can see my work on my portfolio site, which is www.jamescrushbates.com. Once again, that's www.jamescrushbates.com. Thank you for your time and your consideration. Have a great day.